Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone, depending on where you are watching from. Welcome back to this online presentation session. Thank you so much for joining and taking your time to watch this video until the end. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Fareza. I am a student Padang of Padang State Polytechnic. I will explain an article about speed control of induction motor using variable frequency driver or VFD method based on Arduino Nano. This assessment is an English final exam. First, in this research, I discuss about speed control of induction motor using variable frequency driver or VFD method based on Arduino Nano. This topic is raised because induction motors are the most widely used type of motors, but in industry and in household because the construction is simple, strong, and efficient. Uh, However, induction motors have a disadvantage, which is that the speed is difficult to control flexible. Therefore, this research aims to develop an induction motor speed control system by using the variable frequency drive method controlled by Arduino Nano as the main controller. The development of electric cycle and automation system currently encourages the use of electric motors as a main driver. The drive system generally use AC and DC motors, and one of the most widely used is the induction motors. Uh, the induction mo- the induction motors was chosen because it has advantages such as easy maintenance, high durability, good efficiency, and is able to work stable even if there is a load change. The speed of the induction motors is greatly influenced by the frequency of the AC voltage surge. Therefore, frequency regulation is most effective method to control the speed of the induction motor. In this study, an inverter is used that function as a variable frequency drive or VFD to convert DC voltage into AC with a frequency that can be adjusted. Next, in this study, there are three main components that need to be understood. The first is the induction motors. Uh, the induction motors, which is the main object in testing the speed control system. The second, the variable frequency driver, or VFD, which function to regulate the motor speed by changing the frequency and output voltage of the inverter. This system use the sinusoidal pulse width modulation or SPWM method to produce AC wave the approach the sign. The third, Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano Arduino Nano, which is used as a controller to generate SPWM signal and regulate the inverter output frequency, so that the motor speed can be controlled as needed. Next, induction motor. Induction motor is a type of AC motor that works based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The current on the rotor is not given directly but arises due to the rotating magnetic field for the production by the stator. This magnetic field will induce current on the rotor so that the rotor can rotate. The rotational speed of the magnetic field is called synchronous velocity, which is formulated as ns 120 times the frequency divided by number of poles. From this equation, it can be see that the speed of the motor is highly dependent on the frequency of the power source. That is, the frequency is increased, the motor speed also increases, the vice versa. This is the main reason why frequency setting the most effective method to control the speed of an induction motor. Next, variable speed drive or variable frequency driver is an electronic device used to adjust the speed, torque, and direction or rotating of electric motors. This setting is done by changing by and the frequency voltage give to the motor. By using VSD, the motor does not always operate the maximum speed, but can be adjusted to the load needs. Therefore, VSD is widely used in industrial applications such as conveyors, pumps, and other automation system. Next, in this VSD system block diagram, the DC source first enters the full bridge inverter circuit. This inverter function to convert DC voltage into AC voltage. The control of the semiconductor which switch on the inverter is carried out using the sinusoidal pulse width modulation or SPWM signal. This SPWM signal is generated by the controller in this study using Arduino Nano. Uh, After that, the inverter output is passed to the LC filter to produce an AC wave that is closer to sine before being given to the induction motors. By changing the SPWM signal frequency, the motor speed can be controlled flexible and stable. Uh, Next, Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano is a small microcontroller board from the Arduino family based on Atmega. In this system, Arduino Nano acts as a brain of main controller. Uh, Arduino Nano is programmed to produce a sinusoidal pulse width modulation or SPWM, which is which is to used to control the power switch on the inverter circuit. By changing the frequency parameters on the SPWM signal, Arduino can adjust the inverter output frequency. Because of its small size, low cost, and easy to program, Arduino Nano is very suitable to be used as a controller in a microcontroller based variable frequency drive system. Uh, Next, system simulation of carried out by changing the fundamental frequency parameters on the SPWM signal used to control the inverter power switch. And this is simulation. The switching frequency is kept constant, which is around 10 kilohertz, to that the output wave quality remains stable. frequency changes are carried out at several values, namely uh, the purpose of this simulation is to obtain high and low the digital signal data on every frequency change, which can which can later be used as a reference in hardware implementation. The simulation results show the change in SPWM frequency directly affects the speed of the motor. The system simulation is carried out by changing the fundamental frequency parameters on the SPWM signal. Use the SPWM signal used to control the inverter power switch. In this simulation, the switching frequency is kept constant, which is around 10 kHz, to that the output wave quality remains stable. The simulation results show the change in SPWM frequency directly affects the speed of the motor. The brings us to the end of the uh, that bring us to the end of this presentation. Thank you, thank you very much for watching and listening. I hope this presentation has given you a clear and practical understanding of the uh, speed control, induction motor, uh, variable frequency driver uh, with Arduino Nano. If you have any question, suggestion, or comment, please feel free to write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, uh, and subscribe. If you find this content useful, thank you and see you the next presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.